So basically, welcome back to a quant price, guys, and this is still not a good buy point because see, previously the buying exactly came from the monthly dip L3, and for if we were to change the bias and new buyer has to come and enter the price, then he will be entering from the cheapest price possible. So for that, price has to come down. That's what I think. And S1 is the now next undervalued price. This is still not a bullish bias, so I would not say that you should be entering at monthly L3 dip today. Cause see, this is like if I were to show you in daily formation, it is a bearish bias. This is already at S4, and see the whole week was the sell bias, and you only needed some good highs to sell it. See, it was a good sell at this price, waited some time, and the best sell price. See, if we have untested pivot that we have already discussed in the book and discussed in the videos, when we have the untested pivot in trends, so see, it was a established sell trend, previous close was below S1, and see, this is weekly CPR we are discussing, and it was a well established sell trend, and open bias was also accepted for sell. So we should just wait, right, for this price, but it did not come to that price, and we had the untested pivot for this week, and see what happened. The price went till S4. So this is what exactly have written and mentioned in the book. And see, we have the perfect example of a trend day, the opening at the high and closing at the bottom. So basically, I would say you should be waiting for the next days. If the price action forms at monthly S1, then only plan the buy, or do not plan the buy, because see, it's monthly already in the sell trend. And if I were to show you Bitcoin, what it's happening in Bitcoin, so see, the bias failing. It was a bullish bias, but see here only we knew the bias failed because tested the bottom central, or maybe the Camarilla bias was bearish. Here only we knew it that it's not a bullish bias anymore, and see what happened today exactly. If we mark this pivot, this is the weekly pivot, and bias changed like 2-3 days back, if you can see that. And I don't know why there's no volatility, and see exactly, even though the opening bias was bullish bias, this is just delayed reaction. Because see, yesterday I have been posting about the sell in BTC, and see what happened. It was a sell from here, but it was so artificially built till weekly pivot. This was a weekly pivot point, and see, again it came down. Cause so you should only be like, I'm okay if you would have booked this stop loss here, and you should not have traded this day, because still the bias was sell bias, and daily bias was saying bullishness. So this is how you navigate and filter. And also I'll make one video on the dashboard and like working process of it, so that video will come soon as well.